Today, we'll explore product development and the product lifecycle, key stages guiding how businesses manage products from launch to eventual decline. Understanding these stages helps companies develop effective strategies to maximize profitability and keep products in the market for as long as possible. The stages of the product lifecycle include introduction. This is when the product first launches. Sales growth is typically slow, with a strong focus on creating awareness. Marketing efforts are intense to inform potential customers and generate interest. Costs are often high at this stage due to promotional expenses and establishing distribution. Growth. If the product gains acceptance, sales start to rise quickly. Profits increase as economies of scale kick in, and marketing costs drop relative to sales. The company might add new features or expand into new market segments to capitalize on growth. Maturity. This is the longest phase, where the product reaches peak sales. The market becomes saturated, and growth slows as competition intensifies. To maintain market share, companies may introduce improvements, create product variants, or adjust pricing. Decline. Eventually, sales start to drop due to market saturation or new innovations that make the product obsolete. Businesses might reduce costs, target niche markets, or phase out the product entirely. To extend the product's life and delay the decline phase, companies can use strategies like product modification. Adding new features or improving existing ones can renew interest. Market expansion. Moving into new markets, geographically or demographically, brings fresh revenue opportunities. Rebranding. A new look or relaunch can attract new attention. Pricing adjustments. Lowering prices can appeal to more price-sensitive customers and help clear inventory. Case study: smartphones. Take the smartphone industry as an example. When a new model is launched, it's in the introduction phase, with heavy marketing and initial lower sales. As adoption grows, the model enters the growth phase, driving company profits higher. In maturity, manufacturers introduce updates and new features to keep consumer interest and fend off competitors. Finally, as newer models emerge, older versions decline in sales, and companies might discount them or stop production. In summary, effectively managing each stage of product development and the life cycle is essential for long-term profitability and market success. By understanding and leveraging these stages, companies can make informed decisions to optimize product performance throughout its market journey.